Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the SP500 index fund analysis, the Nasdaq 100 analysis, the DXY or US dollar analysis, plus the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. So if it's the first time of you here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. If you be a subscriber with us, please smash that like button, support us guys. You know that channel without you can growing up. So please pause that video and go ahead and do it. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. So let's start our lesson of today, guys. Here we are, guys, the SP500. The SP500 also we enter short because of here, from that level here, when we break in here, the triangle. So also we enter short. The SP500 came down till here. I told you protect yourself. And now here, I told you maybe from here we are going to go up, or maybe it's going to continue down. Also, we got a short position. We entered from here. So till now, also we don't lose in nothing. We make it like that and like that. We got here a price action now, like a triangle. If it's being broken up, maybe we can enter long, but till now it doesn't. And the market today it's showing a big reverse down. So it's still more falling, guys, and more pain in the market. And that's what me have been telling you. Even if you go to the daily, guys, here we are, guys. You see the market here, it gave us that pin bar here. It zoom it a little bit like that. As you see it now, the market here, it gave us that pin bar. It zoom it a little bit like that, guys. Sorry. As you see here, in that place, the market give us that pin bar, but there is no volatility to push higher, guys. As you see now, it come in that red candle today. So maybe it's going to come down, but you need to have a close eye at the last level here. That one down. Here, what the market is going to do to it. If we're going to break it down or no. Till now also staying sideways, guys, and we need to wait until the new year was going to happen. Everything is too clear. It's going back to the 4 hours. So here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. Here in that level where we are is a very stronger level, guys. You need to make a close eye at it. As you see it, where I bring it from here and here. Last time here it fell down. Last time from here it went up. Now let's see if we are going to stay here and give us here a price action. Then after that it's going to reverse, or it's going to break it down. Then it's going to fall down till that level down here. That one here, as you see it, guys. So now you got two key levels, guys. You need to make a close eye at them. As you see it, that one here where we are. And the second one is down here, that one. So go to your broker and try to draw them like how I draw them me. Here, and you see if we are going to break that one, then 100% also we're going down here. If not, it's going to give us here a price action like a double bottom, head and shoulder or something like that. It's going to indicate in the market is going to reverse from here. Then also we're going to close the short position and we're going to enter a long position, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, guys, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. So it's going there. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, also we enter short because we used to be here at the overbought area. Now it came down to the oversold area. That way, I told you protect yourself, but it doesn't mean we need to close everything because it might from here is going to fall down more, and that one is going to stay here at the oversold area because as you see here where it's entered the oversold area till where, guys, look how many points it dropped from here till down here. So maybe the same thing is going to happen here. That one is just a rest in here. Then after that, you're going to see it falling down more. That's a scenario, guys. So make a close eye at those things me I'm telling you. Now, guys, let's go in to see the Nasdaq 100, what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, the Nasdaq 100, as you see it here. From here, also we enter short here. When it's breaking here, we enter short. It came down here. In the last video, I told you protect yourself here. Now it's showing it's falling down more, guys. So what that meant, guys? It meant also we are here in that very stronger supply and demand zone down here. And that where also we said it exactly the take profit, if you remember. Also we said here, we got here a wage like that. When it's getting broke here, I told you the take profit, it needs to be down here. And that's what it bring exactly the take profit for us. But should we close everything? No, my friend. Don't close everything. You enter from a nice place. Don't close everything, guys. Don't close everything. Take some of the profit. Close some of the profit now. And you leave some. You just try to move the stop loss because if you enter short in the SP500, you need to be using save this or margin. That's when you need to move the stop loss down a little bit and wait it. Maybe it's going to break down here. If it's not, it's need to give us here a price action or something here indicating the market is going to reverse. Till now, there is nothing there. Until now, it's showing to us we sell in a free falling, guys. And all US stocks, they are in free fall in those days because the Fed, what it doing, and the US economic is going to a very bad recession. We don't know what's going to happen, guys. So make a close eye at those things, me, I'm telling you. Let's see our indicator, guys, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. So let's see it. As you see, guys, here our indicator, we be in here at the overbought area. That way also we enter short from here to here. Now also we are down here and our indicator is enter here to the oversold area. We take some of the profit now, but we don't need to close everything. The same thing, guys, here. Look at it. When it's enter here at the oversold area, tell where, guys. You see it or no? So the same thing here. If we don't got a price action here, also we are not going to enter long and we are not going to close our long position. So also we still waiting, guys. If it fall down more, because as you look in here, look with me here, very, very close. That low, it give you here another high, so now it need to fall down to give you another low, guys. To know exactly where is that low, let me show it to you. You just came here to the Fibo like that, and you came here, you draw it like that. So the low, guys, is going to go down till here, till 9,417. As you see it, guys. That maybe that one is going to go down till here, guys. But you still have here that level here. So you need to make a close eye at those things, me, I'm telling you. Why that? Because that one is based on the wake up. There is like that A, B, and here it needs to give you C here in that level here. Then after that it's going to make another correction like that. Then after, so that the wake up trading, guys. So I think everything is too clear, but it will not fall down to it within one day. It will take some time, guys. I think everything is too clear, guys. So here, guys, our indicator, as I told you, also we are here at the oversold area. Should we close everything? No, my friend, we don't need to close everything. We take some of the profit, yes, because also we enter from a nice place from here and we are waiting. If it fall down more, also fair enough. Free cash. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go in to see the DXY or US dollar index, what it's doing today, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, the DXY. As you see it, we got here that level here or that triangle here, as I tell it to you before. Now it's breaking here. It's breaking that level here, guys. Should you enter long? Yes, maybe you can enter long, but here, what me I told you before, guys. I told you used to have here a down channel like that. Yes or no? A down channel, it's being broken now here, guys. And another thing here, very, very important. Look at it. Even you came like that, you draw it like that, and here you drawing that wage like that. Now it's showing it's breaking here, guys. And the 4 hours candle here is closed. Should you enter long? Yes, my friend. So what that meant? Like now you trading British pound, USD. British pound is going to fall down, guys. And USD is going to go higher. That's what it's showing here, the chart. Euro USD, the same thing. The Euro USD is going to fall down and the US dollar is going to go higher. That means the Euro is going to fall down and the US dollar is going to go higher, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. If you trade in USD, Japanese yen, that means the USD is going to go higher and the Japanese yen is going to fall down, guys. Because all those currencies, they are based on US dollar. You need to make that one very, very, very clear in your brain. No matter what the central banks of those countries do, everything and all the world economic, it's based on US dollar. If US dollar is stronger and going up, all of them, they falling down. If US dollar is weak and falling down, all of them, they going up. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, as you see it, guys, us we being here at the oversold area. So what should we do now? As I tell it to you, we got here a price action. That one here, that triangle here. Now it's being broken, guys. Now it might to enter long, guys. Yes or no? Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go in to see the Bitcoin, what it's doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours. Also, we enter short from here for people that been with us for some time. Also, we enter short because we used to have here a channel. When it's breaking here, also we enter short. It came down here. I told you guys, protect yourself here in that level. It came down here. I told you guys, take 50% of your profit. By the way, to know that money management strategy I'm talking about, down below in the first comment, you're going to get our highly recommended course. And we got that money management strategy. By the way, if you're using the couple link down, the course is not expensive. It's only $13, guys. $13 is the price of a cup of coffee. And believe me, the information and the knowledge you're going to get inside that course, is better than million of courses they sell it to you online by $1,000 and $2,000. But that is up to you guys. So what else we said, guys, here? We got here a head and shoulder. That's what else we said here. We said the neckline is it here, but there is no candle breaking higher, guys. That's what it's showing. Look where we are now. We're still holding our short position. Yes or no? Did it give us here any price action, guys? Here in that level where we are. Look with me. Here. You can make here, guys, like a flag like that. As you see it. And the flag, what? It man is a continuation pattern, guys. If it came and breaking lower here, it's going to fall down, guys. But what me I told you in the last video, guys, the last video, it's still in the channel, just put it. I told you that Bitcoin, it will not break in here. It's going to stay all the week here till after the new year, guys. Till next week. Then you're going to see big move. Now, also we stay in here just sideways, guys. And I told you one thing. In Sunday, there is the yearly candle close. So you need to make a close eye at it. So now, also we give you our analysis, but you enter with us from here. So us we stand in very nice profit. We don't care what's going to happen. Everything is too clear, guys. Now it's going to see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. So let's go in there. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, came here all those days of Christmas. We be in here. When it came, it's breaking down here. Oh, because also we got our short position, so we don't need to open a short position. And now what I told you in the last video, I told you it came from overbought. I'm going to close everything when it's going to come to the oversold area. Did it come? Not yet. And now here, what it's showing to us? What I told you before here about that level here. What did I told you about it? I told you, look at it here, at that level here, here, and here, and here. It used to react like a very stronger support and the resistance. Now what happened here? It's break it down, guys. It's break it down. So now us, what should we looking at? We're looking if it's going to react in here like a very stronger resistance. Then after that, it's going to push it down. What is the next resistance? Also, we got that one here. Everything is too clear, guys. So now what is going to happen, guys? Us here, we are in a downtrend, and the whole control in here is the bears. There is no bulls, guys. There is no bulls yet in the market. Also, we're still in a bear market. Bring a small child, he's going to tell you that. So also, we're still in a bear market. Also, we got a short position, we go with it till the end of it. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. So let's go in there. That one here. Also, we enter short because we used to be here at the overbought area, guys. It came down here to the oversold area. We started protecting ourselves. We protect ourselves very well now. We're taking some profit. Now here, what should we do? Look at it. Is it here at the oversold area? Here. And that one is it down here. Should we close everything? No, my friend, there is no close yet. Because if you remember in the last video, what me I told you here. What me I told you, guys, here we got. Here. I told you we got here a up channel. That up channel now it's being broken here. In that level here, it's being broken, guys. Yes, now that the candle which is going now, it's showing it's going inside. But if it's broken that one here, I told you 100% you're going to see the Bitcoin down here at that 15K, guys. That's why I told you also we enter short. And we're waiting where it's going to go. And I told you something else here. I told you got here. Look at it. I'm not drawing top of it. A head and shoulder. That was me I showed you in the last videos. And I told you the neckline is here. If that one came and break in here, that's another story, guys. You came like that and you make it like that. So you are going to break even that level here. If it's breaking down here, it's going to break that week. No, my friend. You remember people they've been with us, as we said, two levels. 16,500 and 17,500. The Bitcoin is going to stay between them. It will not break no one of them all that week. And the week it doesn't left for it. It's only 2 days. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity for today. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, also we enter along from here. People have been with us for some time now. Also we enter along here. Over here, we protect ourselves. Here, we're taking some of the profit. Down here, we're closing everything. And I'm going to tell you why we're closing everything. We're closing everything because of that one. That triangle also we used to have here. When it's breaking here, I told you guys, close everything. Yes or no? It came down here. I told you protect yourself. Then in the last video, I told you we got here a channel like that. I told you if it's breaking up here, you enter long. So it's breaking here, will have you enter long. It came upward here, will have you protect yourself. Now what should you do, guys, here in that level where you are? Look what you got here now. You got here an inverted wedge, guys. If it came upward here and breaking here, you need to enter long again. Let's see our indicator, guys, what it's saying. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is it here at the oversold area. Should you enter long? You need a price action, guys. A price action, as I show you now, you got that inverted wage that one. If it came upward and breaking here, yes, you can enter long, but till now there is nothing new, guys. And me, I tell it to you in the Christmas, guys. What did I told you? I told you those days till the new year pass, don't open any scalping order. Why did I tell you that? I told you because there is no big volatility in the market those days. And look at it, guys. Also, we been here sideways all those days. There is no big volume. The big wealth, they are not in the market. What's still in the market now is only small players, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. See you after the daily candle. Finish it. Bye for now, guys.